OCS has been working in close partnership with the Scottish courts now for over 10 years, and we're increasingly making their buildings more efficient and lower carbon. We work closely with them from optimising buildings, from the real detail of managing their buildings to make sure they're comfortable and energy efficient for everybody that works in the buildings, right through to identifying projects and installing large-scale solar panel projects, as you might see here today on Glasgow Sheriff Court.
OCS has done quite a lot to help us with our decarbonisation journey. We've got a very diverse estate across the whole of Scotland, and the buildings range from very old and listed to more modern buildings. Consistently across the estate, we've seen reductions in electricity, gas and water use, and as a result, our carbon emissions have reduced significantly.
The reason why OCS is different is the collaborative thinking that they have. We treat them as an extension of our own department and own organisation. If you go and ask any security officer or cleaner, a lot of them will say they actually work for Scottish courts and not OCS. So it really helps this kind of one-team approach.